Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a tourist visa to Belize. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to immigration to a country or for visiting or whatever purpose, the very first thing is to determine if you really need a visa. So in front of you, I've opened the official Belize immigration website where they have shown you, do you need a visa to travel to Belize? If your visit is not exceeding 30 days, then you can skip this requirement altogether if you have a valid multiple entry Schengen visa, valid multiple entry or permanent residence card from Canada, valid multiple entry visa or permanent card from USA. So if you fall under these three conditions, then regardless of your nationality, if you are going to visit up to 30 days, you don't need a visa. But if you are traveling, like if you don't fall under these conditions, you may need. So for that, they have given a table here where you can search your nationality. Let's say you are from India, then you need a visa. All right. Let's go for visa requirements. So what you need to get a visa, you need application form, passport, flight itinerary, of course. If you are being sponsored, then like if somebody else is paying, then letter of financial support, sponsor details, invitation letter, employment letter, banking, financial. If you're self-sponsoring your trip, employment letter, banking, official. Visa types, what are the visa they issue? Tourist, employment, student, okay. For tourists, and they have shown you like what things you can do under these visas. So how to apply? We have already gone through the checklist, okay. They have shown some more information, okay. Like it has to be in English. If not, then it has to be translated with properly authority and signed. Visa fee, all are in Belize dollar. Single entry visa valid for 3 months. Nationals from India, Nepal, it's 750. For all other national, 200. Wow, I don't know why such a difference. Multiple entry visa valid for this. Okay, fine. Now visa forms. Visa form if you open. This is for official use. Okay. As on your passport, last name, first name, full name, place of birth. These places are very simple. Passport details, contact details, children detail if applicable, your trip details, occupation information declaration, and then whatever you're attaching. Signature, this you do not have to do anything because it's official use. Okay, fine. But how to apply? If you're residing outside of Belize, you can apply at your nearest Belizean diplomatic or consular mission. If you are sponsor or if you or your sponsor already in Belize, you can submit there. All right. If you are on Central American national, you can apply at any immigration office in Belize. Okay, that's fine. So let's find more information about it. So guys, I opened a list of their diplomatic missions. So you see countries. So whichever is applicable, whichever is like offering services to your region, you can apply over there if you need to. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.